about the epidemic situation. To beat it, we can't imagine how much efforts our country has made, and how many workers are fighting for it day and night. What's more, many workers even fight against it with their own lives. We should feel for others. There are also parents, children, and some are even younger than us, and are also the center of their parents, but they still strive to fight for it. We can't afford to squander this kindness. So, if the virus are defeated and our lives become wonderful, we must cherish this hard-won life. That's because all beautiful and peaceful things in your life are just because someone is loading forward for you.